everyone, Claire here, long time no see. Today I'm going to be making a chocolate banana cake brownie. It's basically just like a chocolate brownie with a layer of banana cake in the middle. Alright, ready, set, bake! Guys, first prepare a baking tray like this and then preheat your oven. First, let's make the batter of the banana cake. Mash 2 bananas in a bowl. Add in melted butter. Add in sugar. Crack in 1 egg. And a little bit of vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until well combined. And sift in the dry ingredients. Mix everything until well combined. And the banana cake batter should look like this. Next, let's make the batter of the chocolate brownie. Melt the butter and chocolate chips over hot water. Remove from the heat and leave it to cool for 5 minutes. In a large bowl, crack in 2 large eggs. Add in the cast sugar and brown sugar and a little bit of vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until the mixture is thick and foamy. We did it! This step requires muscles. Got a bit too tight, so I asked my dad to help. Sift in the dry ingredients. And mix them together. Whisk in the chocolate and butter mixture. And then mix in a handful of chocolate chips. Now the banana cake batter is ready, and the chocolate brownie batter is ready as well. Next, let's put the layers together. We decided to use piping bags. One layer of chocolate brownie. One layer of banana cake. And another layer of chocolate brownie. Oops, we nearly ran out of the chocolate brownie batter. Luckily, we smoothed it out and it just covered the surface. Time to go in the oven. Baking instruction is on the screen. We ran out of wooden sticks, so we had to use a piece of spaghetti. It does the job. This is my mum who knows Kung Fu. You don't want to mess with her. Alright, kidding. This is my mum who's going to serve the brownies. Time to reveal the layers. Ta-da! Look at how good it is! Yum! I could just dive into it. Ta-da! They look so good. We're going to take this plate of brownies to a party and we're going to taste this one. Here we go. The top bit is so crunchy and the cake itself is so moist.
Oh my god, so good. No time to talk.
Cheers. Chocolate brownie and banana cake is the best combo. Right before we go, let's have another look of how phenomenal they are. Guys, you're gonna try this. Trust me, it's so good. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.